Hello guys, this is Ivan from DNTV and you're watching Fast Keto Kitchen. Today we are making something magical, special, slowly smoked rib that you must try. So check this out. This is Ozzy. Ozzy is our guard dog and the chef also. This is Tsale, my friend, and he is preparing the charcoal so we can make the perfect temperature for the meat. Voila, this is the rib. So we put some salt, some sea salt, regular salt. Oh, there's Ozzy. Hello, Ozzy. We put some pepper, actually 3 types of pepper. And we put some chili paprika to be perfectly magically spicy, like a little bit chili, if you get it. Now we put the meat on the grill and we close it, so we wait. Meanwhile, we put some stuff on it because we are fat and we don't want to be hungry, so we need to have a snack while we wait. It's 6-hour process. So. And also you can see that we have a probe inside the meat, so we can measure and monitor the temperature inside the meat, because it needs to be perfectly cooked and also needs to be slowly cooked. We put a little bit of bread on the side for the kids, but we don't eat bread, just saying. And now the finish. Look at the juice dripping outside of it, like, oof. Guys, it's magical. Now we're gonna open it, cut it in half so you can see inside that it's perfectly cooked. Look at the magic dripping outside of it. Oh, voila. Oof, look at this. Oh, wow. So guys, thank you for watching and I hope you liked our video and our cooking, so please like, subscribe or join to our channel so you can support our work, our cooking and our videos. Thank you again and till next time, GG.